Who's a 15-year-old who's
You have just been challenged to a drinking match by a young whippersnapper with a love bite
with a love bite on his arm.
Birthmark! Birthmark! That looked like a love bite then. Whatever. Birthmark! The hickey.
Get him, Tim. Tim, get him. Get him. Blank.
Oi, someone pass me a knife just in case who beats me so I can jam.
They're all your victims.
You can see all this ingrowing hair, can't
You just dropped his shit! You just dropped his shit! Oh, you! Slap it!
You want to draw it back from Blackburn?
I
done my hair after you had a poo.
Right, you! Slap it!
Not far off.
Oh, that's fucking... Oh my goodness! Oh!
You bring...
That's inhuman.
In here, in there.
Beat him! She's got any knickers in there. Oh, Eddie's going to rape her. Something just crawled up your arse and died. That is fucking
Rachel and Simon driving back from Blackburn. 120 miles, he goes, all the windows, and did it all the way back.
Bless them.
That's the perfect weapon.
PTA meeting.
That was brilliant.
3,
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Do you realise who you're playing against there? As soon as he drops the can.
As soon as he hits the floor.
Are you going to drop the can?
Zoom out a bit, Tim. Zoom out.
I know.
You standing up?
Okay, here we go. Oh, go. Oh, he's raping you. He's raping you. Who's your daddy? I was going to be close. Hang on. No!
Yes!
No!
Oh, yeah!
Is that a pint glass? That's a bit
That's
short.
a pint glass.
That's a bit short.
Oh, no. I'll do it again.
Jay, I'm trying my best.
No, there's going to be a rematch.
Look at the kills.
No, there's going to be a rematch. No, that's not fair. No, that's not fair. You ain't beat the big man.
It's all right. It wasn't a real pint. Oh shit.
Nick, take me home.
No, you haven't been. You've been outdone by.
Yeah, don't come back.
Tell your friends I'll beat you.
You're slipping, big man. You're slipping.
I work in a pub. I can't drink no more.
Pass the torch. You're
We're not
done.
allowed to drink.
We must never speak of this day again.
What's that?
Don't exist. Rematch. Here we go.
That's where it comes to.
No, look. No, I just seen.
Yeah, put it like that.
Yeah, that's the truth. Yeah.
Back into there.
You know, I won't want you to pull a fucking point for me. Anyway, I've just seen yours.
Now I've just seen that was level.
And there was a little bit. There was
there was about that much left. He had that much left.
There was a bit of phlegm left in the.
Look at his bit on the floor.
No, I'm sorry, man.
Look at all this.
That's where he pissed himself, the fat bastard. His belly's retaining water.
Right then. See, he's got it. He knows it.
Look at his comfort. Pass the torch. You're done.
Where's the next fight?
Fat fuck.
Come on, son.
I had faith in you.
I can't hear.
Oh, bring the death bird up. Bring the death bird up. You can suck my cock.
I've heard it's the best of the best.
Here is an understatement. Like kissing a
What's wrong with that? That's a perfect point.
What's
Yeah,
that?
but mine wasn't.
A point, man.
Yeah, now take that back in there. And I bet you there's less in there.
Yeah, which means I'll drink
That
more.
don't look healthy. Are you feeling the plants?
It was more
Have a good competition.
No, I'm not knocking you for that,
Yeah.
son. You know what I mean?
It was a draw on camera.
No,
It was a
son,
draw.
no, son. You will beat me when you're age.
I
You'll
won't
beat
say
me.
that. I won't say that.
You'll beat me when you're my age.
I won't
No,
say
dude, I am.
That was close.
You better
That was.
get your mate who takes 10
That was honestly close.
What's his name?
Yeah.
Steve.
Oh, Steve!
Steve!
Loser! The bell ended took about 10 minutes to drink a pint.
I used to do it.
I know. I'll give him the little
next year, man, next year.
I'll give him the little
I'll tell you what, right?
Half.
Yeah, I bet I can beat him with a half. I'll get him.
You got a mobile?
Beat him with half. My mother could beat him with half. Faggy. You shut up, Lurch. Wait.
Don't leave it so long, it's alright. Who knows?
Little fucking ugly.
That's the biggest thing.
You fucking peck.
What's all doing that to get you?
Nice.
Did you come out of a... What?
Yeah, I'm going to get little.
I'll slap you.
Look, if you want to suck my cock, just tell me, man.
Oh, come here.
Oh, that's not...
No, come here.
I'm gonna fucking vomit. Come here, Nav, give me some of that.
You hungry first?
No, don't even laugh.
You hungry now?
Lacey, me and him are made for each other.
That's on
I've
camera.
just said that on camera. No, I've just said that on
I
camera.
know that on camera.
Beasts.
Beasts.
Virgin and virgin.
Oh, please.
I'm not a virgin.
I wish I was.
Look at this. Look, this. I'm gonna kiss. Oh, she's kissing his ear. Look, she's licking him. She's licking his wax out. Look.
Don't film me. Look at him looking at me. Don't you dare.
I'm not looking. I'm not above you. Look, look.
You're looking.
It's alright, we'll have
He was giving your ear a little bit of a licking then, so. I know that he's.
Basically, he's getting some, you're not.
Well, that's nothing new, is he?
Edward!
I'm not. No, listen. I'm glad your stomach ache's cleared up
Got a
now.
new challenger.
Because he was a bit.
Hasn't
Got a
cleared
new
up
challenger. New
Could he-
challenger.
He went too far up there. Because I know he's a big boy.
now. He's blaming you.
Was that what? The thing is though, was that his dick or his nose?
You tramp.
What, that was up there?
Nothing,
Because I just wondered what.
We've got a new challenger. He's like
A new challenge.
15.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, you look really mean there, man.
He's my brother. You tramp.
Let's have something.
Did you just burp in her? Did you just burp in her ear then, or burp in her mouth then?
No, he licked my face.
He licked your face?
No, he licked my face.
Sorry, it didn't work.
That's
So.
really
Can I just
fucking
say,
sick.
it's not-
I think I'm gonna vomit. We're head for each other. No, it's alright. No, it's alright. We're made for each other. Look at the fucking stuff. I'm so looking at something like What? Mandy Dingle with blonde hair. Fuck off! No! Leave me! Mom! Mom! Get Alex!
Get her over here.
Hold this. What's the competition? 2 minutes ago, I've just been right. I'm blaming. I'll put Narcy in. Not me. I've just been right, boy. That beast.
Him there.
Over there.
Point camera to him.
It's him. She tried to pull my. No, well, she's a him. She's a him. She's just right me. This chick with the dick just right me. And I'm just going to say that I'm really disturbed. He doesn't want to go to the police. I'm going to record these on the
100 grand, that's all we're asking.
Get right boy that you'll never get over.
100 grand, that's all we're asking. That's it. Stop recording. Put it in still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I'm going to go to Dredd. Fast.
yeah.
I'm going to go to
Here we go.
Uno!
He's got the makings of a piss head.
Dredd!
You go, 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 go. Raped him. He's still going.
He finished it.
No, he's finished it.
Damn right I won that.
Jay, you got to restate your claim here.
You bastard. Get in. Come on. Bastard.
What?
Beat me because you had no gully. What's gully? I don't know.
Jay, you got a lot of gully.
Yeah, but you said the death bird.
Don't just shut up about the
You
death
said
bird,
the
man.
15-year-old death bird.
Can you do it? You want to race him? I'll film it.
What?
You want to race him? I'll film it.
No, that's not
Let me have a go.
That means no.
The
No.
death thing, innit?
No. Bill done it.
You know what?
You fucking rapist.
I don't know what you're laughing at because you're the next one she's going to rape.
I have got no gullet, but I won £3.
You're gonna have some gullet on top of you.
I did.
Laura, will you rape this fucker, please? Rape him, please.
I've been raped. I want 100 grand compensation.
You wanna-
I was raped by these two.
You get 300. You get
Oh yeah.
£300. £300 worth.
Get that.
Get him, Laura. Get him. Get him.
Dad.
Rape him, Laura.
Beat me, Dad.